What is cooking if not respecting the product? And today we're talking about vegetables. Think about a potato, a leek, some asparagus, or even fruits like cherries or pineapples. What do we want to change in them? Nothing. We have to find friends that sit by them, enhancing who they are. So when you get into your kitchen and you start thinking about cooking, don't open all the jars of your spices. Don't add 5, 10 herbs to what you're cooking. Think about friends who would gently embrace what you're cooking and keep it simple. Respect that beautiful taste that product has from the very, very beginning. Think about it. Cooking is about simplicity, and it takes ages, very, very long time to learn it.